So Facebook and Instagram and Messenger, I use them in combination to build my Amazon brand. Hey guys, on this lesson, I want to talk to you guys about the power of Facebook and Instagram and Messenger to build your Amazon brands. This is one of the things that excites me the most. So now, if you don't have an Amazon brand and have no interest on an Amazon brand, you can go ahead and skip this lesson because it's all going to be about it. Now, one of the things that I've done successfully for the last couple of years is using the power of social media and generating traffic and massive awareness to build my brands. To give you guys a particular example, like exact data, you could see some of examples of what we do. We don't spend a lot of money on actual advertising on Amazon, but we generate big numbers. I have an actual brand that we're about to cross $1 million in sales in a month. We're about almost $800,000 every 30 days being sold. We don't spend not even 5% on Amazon PPC. Very low amount, but most of the money is being spent, a big chunk of money is being spent on branding on Facebook and Instagram and Messenger. And by doing that, people are just flooding in there and buying stuff on Amazon because it's unavoidable. 50 cents of every dollar being spent online is being spent on Amazon. So when you are massively building this attention out there and doing all this branding, people are going to look in Amazon for your brands. Actually, we're conditioned to do that. So if you have an Amazon brand, you know as a fact that before somebody presses the button that says complete purchase, they actually open up a new tab, they go to Amazon.com and they search for your product. It's kind of like an automatic thing. We are conditioned to do this. And they go to that Amazon.com, and if they see a better price, or even if it's a little bit more expensive, guess what? They still buy from Amazon. Why? Because Amazon has something that we don't have as much. That's a trust factor. And not only that, Amazon has better customer service when it comes to the delivery of whatever product that you order. If you order something on Amazon, you can pretty much guarantee that 2 days later, you're gonna get UPS, FedEx, the post office knocking on your door, dropping off that package in there. That's a for sure thing. And not only that, as you guys know, it's getting stronger and stronger. Like there's a lot of states and a lot of cities that when you order an Amazon product, you can get it delivered on the same day. They even have like 2-hour delivery now, growing like crazy. Next day delivery for free in many places. So this thing is like crazy right now. So whatever Amazon has control over right now, it's only gonna get stronger. It's not gonna go away. I'm not gonna come back here next year and tell you like, guys, get what? Now Amazon only, out of every dollar, only gets 20 cents online. No, it's only gonna get bigger. So you gotta understand that building your Amazon brands obviously is a big deal. But the way that you do it long-term by planting your roots is using Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. When I do that, it helps me grow faster, stronger, and steady. It's important to understand that because I know that as I put content out there, videos, articles, information, pull attention, make my brand interesting, people go to Amazon and they buy their stuff. They buy stuff in there nonstop based on what they're seeing in social media world. So Facebook and Instagram and Messenger, I use them in combination to build my Amazon brand. So particularly when we're talking about ranking, this is the important thing that I know a lot of you guys are really interested in. How to have unlimited power to rank your brands. How to look at a particular keyword that you are obsessed with, that you want to be at the top, and estimate how much you need, how much effort you need to be up there. We have, based on a lot of training that we have tools that allow us to rank our products, that to get ourselves in positions that, we have been dreaming about. With the power of Facebook and Instagram and Messenger, you can generate unlimited volume. And that's the thing that we're gonna dive deep into. Let's say, for example, that you have 600 units that you wanna move. And you know that if you move 600 units over the period of 10 days, you're gonna be able to get to position number 1, 2, or 3. So now you have at your disposition, if you know how to actually use Facebook and Instagram, unlimited potential of people. So now you can estimate, okay, so if I wanna move 600 units, it's gonna cost me about maybe, if I show you very ninja things, which I will, it's gonna cost you about 25 cents a lead. Okay, so now 25 cents a lead, coupon distribution. But now you're gonna get, out of those 600 coupons, you're gonna get maybe 400 or 500 people go out in there in Amazon and actually purchase the product. So you have this bag of people, this incredibly powerful pocket of people that is pretty much unlimited. And if I show you guys how to write the copy correctly, how to distribute the messages, and how to generate the volume of people with the right audience in it, then it becomes really easy to grow your Amazon brand. The analogy that I want to give you guys here, again, I don't know if I mentioned this to you before, but when you have the best possible hand that we have in poker, which is the royal flush, you go all in. I'm going to say that this is the best hand. So you don't have to put attention anywhere else. You don't have to put attention on doing postcards, on doing even influencer marketing. It's a huge opportunity. But when you have this wealth of people in there that you can turn on and turn off like that, the cool thing about this versus influencer marketing is that, for example, if you have 600 coupons that you need to move over the next 10 days, then you can control so well because you guys have a system in which you can actually put those coupons out there and get people to actually buy them. And then when you get enough people, let's say for example in one single day you got 80 coupons distributed, then you have a little button that you can turn off. If you do influencer marketing, there's no such control because influencer marketing is just going to go crazy and there's no off button. So if you do this correctly, then you have a systematic approach to ranking. And I'm going to take you guys step by step that are going to help you be able to know exactly how to rank your products with a system that don't make you waste money along the way, while at the same time you're building your brand. You're creating a branding effect, which is freaking awesome. So that's the idea, guys. Let's go ahead and manipulate ranking in a fair way. The word manipulation maybe has a lot of negative connotations, but in this case, you're doing Amazon a favor. You're making people go to the listings and convert in Amazon. And in many cases, they go and they buy a lot of other things. So Amazon loves it when you send people their way. They appreciate that. It's a real good manipulation of their system because by doing that, Amazon rewards you, they get more people, and everybody wins. The customer gets a great product, we get more ranking, and then we win. The ones that actually are winning the game, guys, are the ones that have the right knowledge and know how to put the strategies into play.